Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on creating machine learning models. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google, and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. As machine learning explodes in popularity, it is becoming even more important to know precisely how to frame a machine learning model in a manner appropriate to the problem we are trying to solve and the data that we have available. In this course, you will gain the ability to choose the right type of model for your problem, then build that model and evaluate its performance. First, you will learn how rule-based and ML-based systems differ and their strengths and weaknesses, and how supervised and unsupervised learning models differ from each other. Next, you will discover how to implement a range of techniques to solve the supervised learning problems of classification and regression. You'll gain an intuitive understanding of the model algorithms you can use for both of these. Finally, you will round out your knowledge by building clustering models using a couple of different algorithms and evaluating the results. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to identify the correct machine learning problem setup and the appropriate solution and evaluation techniques for your use case.